Imagine a time before pills and potions, before sterile hospitals and complex procedures. For millennia, our ancestors turned to a different kind of healthcare provider, nature itself. Yes, long before modern medicine, plants and herbs were the original healers, offering solace and relief from a myriad of ailments. From the verdant jungles of the Amazon to the sun-drenched plains of Africa, ancient cultures developed a deep understanding of the medicinal properties of plants. This knowledge, often passed down through generations of healers and shamans, formed the bedrock of their healthcare practices. It was a time when the line between food and medicine blurred, and the earth provided sustenance for both body and soul. These early healers were like detectives, meticulously observing the natural world, noticing which plants attracted certain animals and how those animals reacted. Through trial and error, they deciphered the language of nature, unlocking the healing secrets hidden within leaves, roots, and flowers. This empirical approach, honed over centuries, laid the foundation for the development of plant-based medicine systems that still resonate with us today. Ancient healthcare, in its purest form, was remarkably simple. It was about understanding the delicate balance of the body and using nature's bounty to restore harmony. Forget complex diagnoses and convoluted treatments. Ancient healers focused on identifying the root cause of an ailment and addressing it with readily available natural remedies. The ancient Egyptians, renowned for their advanced civilization, were also pioneers in herbal medicine. They documented their knowledge on papyrus scrolls, detailing the uses of plants like aloe vera for burns, garlic for infections, and chamomile for its calming effects. Similarly, traditional Chinese medicine, with its emphasis on balance and energy flow, has relied on herbs like ginseng, ginger, and licorice root for centuries to treat a wide range of conditions. Across the globe, indigenous cultures developed their own unique healing traditions, each drawing on the plants and herbs native to their environment. From the Amazonian tribes using cat's claw for arthritis to the Native Americans employing echinacea to boost immunity, the message was clear. Nature held the key to health and well-being. These time-tested remedies, passed down through countless generations, stand as a testament to the enduring power of plants in healing the human body. Let's delve into the fascinating world of ancient remedies with a closer look at two star players, willow bark and St. John's wort. Willow bark, the original source of salicylic acid, the active ingredient in aspirin, was a go-to remedy for pain and inflammation. Imagine chewing on a piece of bark to soothe a throbbing headache. Talk about natural pain relief. St. John's wort, a cheerful yellow flower, was revered for its mood-boosting properties. Long before Prozac, this humble herb was used to brighten spirits and alleviate mild cases of what we now call depression. It's a testament to the fact that nature often holds the solutions to our modern-day ailments, often in the most unassuming packages. These are just two examples of the countless plants that have played a crucial role in human health for centuries. From the soothing properties of chamomile to the invigorating effects of ginseng, each herb and plant held a special place in the ancient healer's arsenal. It's a humbling reminder that the solutions to our health problems may sometimes be found right under our noses, growing in our gardens or lining our windowsills.